Hello guys, welcome to this video. Thank you for watching this video. I recommend you watch this video thousands of times and practice. Today I speak about local resistance. Local resistance is the best resistance and important resistance, and I need local resistance to trade and to open position. Continue. Look at this area. Look at this area. End of the candle and a tree shadow. Yes, this area is a sales order area. Orders area. This area is the best local resistance zone. I design this area, draft zone, wait return price on local resistance. Yes, big candle, full candle, fast sell. This area is local resistance. Yes, look at the mouse. Look at the mouse. Yes. Focus on the chart, please. This area, price go sell. This area, on the zone, on the local zone. Yes, continue candles, continue, yes, continue, yes, return price, yes, big candle, return candle, full candle, yes, local resistance is important, return price on local resistance. Yes, fast sell on the local resistance. Yes, local resistance, local support. This area is local support. Continue, big candle, full candle, sell candle. It's very good. This resistance is very good. Local resistance. Return price on local resistance. Give another example. End of the candles, this area is local resistance. Is return price, fast sell, local resistance. I want design zone, this area. Yes, design zone. This zone is local resistance. Yes, the fast sell. Continue, next candle, continue. Fast buy. This area is local support. Continue. Design local support. This area. Buy fast. Big candle, full candle, green candle. Continue. next candle, next candle. On the local resistance, I wait sell, I wait return price. This area. Look at the mouse. Continue. Continue. Next candle, next candle. Next candle. Yes, third line, third line. This candle is third line. This candle is third line. Continue, big candle, red candle, full candle. Yes. Return price on local resistance. This resistance is very, very important. Local resistance, go local support. Fast sell. Look at the chart. Look at the mouse, this area. This area. Support zone. Local support zone. Yes. The best local resistance. Yes. Local resistance. The best resistance. And another example, this area, look at this area. Look at the mouse. Many shadow and many candles. Yes, end of the candle is a return price, and yes, design zone, local resistance. This zone is local resistance. Yes, continue. Continue. I wait return price on local resistance. This area on the local resistance. Continue. Continue. Next candle, next candle. Next candle. This area is a support zone, local support zone. Create local support zone, design support zone. Design support zone. Design support zone is very important. Continue this area. This area, wait a return price. This area. Yes, big candle, full candle, return candle on the zone. Yes, I think the fast sell because have a big candle, full candle, red candle. Yes, continue. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. Focus on the chart. Yes, continue. Continue. This candle is fat line candle. This candle. Big candle, full candle, and fat line candle. Continue. Return price on the zone. Continue. Yes, big candle, full candle, red candle. Continue. Continue, another candle. Yes, take a profit. TP profit. Local resistance, go support resistance, go local support resistance. Yes, first test in the demo account. Please test demo account. Yes. Look at the chart, focus on the chart. This local resistance is the best resistance. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. I recommend you watch this video thousands of times and practice and write your opinion about this video.